Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. A lot of stuff to cover next roughly 24 to 36 hours. Some stormy weather on the way. A little bit of snow, but going over to a kind of a rain and wind storm. So here's where we'll start. Well, first of all, tonight looks fine, and even Wednesday morning, the morning commute is looking okay. Just dry travel, dry skies, increasing clouds. Wednesday afternoon, wet snow start from roughly 2 o'clock in the afternoon until about 7 o'clock in the evening. However, this changes over to all rain, and it's a widespread heavy rain by 8 o'clock in the evening. Now, before the change to rain, there'll be some small accumulations, and I'll show you that in just a second. Then Wednesday night, heavy rain, wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour, especially south shore, southeastern Massachusetts. Could even be some minor coastal flooding. So we do have a flood watch in effect, which from Wednesday evening through Thursday morning, potential for up to 2 inches of rain, some localized street flooding. And this is essentially Wednesday evening and overnight Wednesday night. The winter weather advisory is north and west of Providence, northern Connecticut to Worcester, and out towards western Mass. Right now, the early call here is that we'll get a quick burst of snow up in, well, first of all, it'll snow everywhere Wednesday afternoon, but it'll change to rain. But the last place for that snow to change to rain would be up in here, northwest Rhode Island, so they'll get a little bit more in the way of snow. We're thinking generally 1 to 3 inches up in here, and we'll show you that accumulation map in just a second. And then we have a wind advisory, which goes from 9 o'clock Wednesday evening till 9 a.m. Thursday. Areas in light brown, southerly gusts of 45 to 50 miles per hour. Temperatures now, it's fairly comfortable. It's in the upper 30s. There are, again, no weather issues for this evening, tonight, and right on through the Wednesday morning commute. So threat tracker is low tonight. It's low in the morning, and then high Wednesday afternoon and evening and night for the reasons we just covered. Satellite photo is looking good as we pan out to the deep south, and there's our storm system. And this approaches on Wednesday. When we take this into the future, Wednesday morning looking good, but that strip of blue is snow, and here it comes in the afternoon. But watch the green, yellow, and red take over certainly by early Wednesday evening. A widespread heavy rain, a windswept rain, pretty soaking, right on through 11 o'clock Wednesday night. As we take a look at the rainfall accumulations, up to 2 inches of rain Wednesday night, some localized street flooding. And here's the early call on the snowfall accumulations, looking at 1 to 3 inches, northern part of the state. You go south and east of Providence, that's generally a coating to an inch. So looking okay for tonight with dry skies. Morning commute looks fine with increasing clouds. And then the wet snow likely during the afternoon and early evening before that changeover to a very heavy rain on Wednesday night.